Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video guys, we'll be making carrot and leek soup, and I will show you how I make my own soup, especially in this season when the weather is getting cold. Soup is the ultimate. So without wasting much of your time, I will take you into the video and also encourage you to stay tuned, relax and watch as I go. The carrot is washed and I'm cutting them in pieces. So after this, I'll put it aside. The spring onion will be cut now and also put aside. I will also cut the leek. It's been washed. As you can see, I will always take off the hard surface or the hard skin. Yes, I only prefer to use the soft side, that's the inner side. So I'll cut it now and also put aside. So I'll cut the corn also and also put aside. The vegetables are all ready, it's been cut, ready for the cooking. So I'll add a little bit of olive oil in the pot, heat it up, and add all my vegetables. So I will give it a good stir, turn it properly and allow the vegetables to release their own juice. So I'll add my salt, my pepper, my coriander, dried one, and my oregano spice. So I'll give it a good stir again and cover it up and allow it to cook. After 5 minutes, I'll add my stock. I have my chicken stock that have been freezed, so I'm going to add it now. Then I'll also add a little bit of water, and I will cover it. The soup is almost ready. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. Wow, it's ready as you can see. So it's time to blend it into this right consistency that I love. I love blending my soup. Trust me, you can have it like that if you want, but I love it when it's smooth. The soup is ready. As you can see, it looks beautiful. It looks amazing. It looks wonderful. And it smells heavenly, guys. It's so nice. And it tastes so yummy. What else can you have in a cold winter night, guys? Just tell me. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate you for staying with me. And please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe, be part of the family. We love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. Bye.